Hey guys, hello. Good to see you after a long time. Today we are again going to continue with our previous video regarding to optional class. So now let's see in this video some additional methods and also some important methods you can say regarding the optional class. So let's go for it. As you can see in front of the screen, there is the optional class. We have taken some examples regarding it. So this specific video, I'm going to present some methods in which you can alternatively handle in the situation in which values are not available. So as you can see, uh, we have firstly initialized the optional integer with empty. This empty means it can contain the simply empty. As you know, by the default value, it will contain empty, optional empty. After that, what I've done, I have taken or else. So if it will not contain that value, it will contain or else. So it should print or else 100. After that, I've taken string over here. So if condition is that if there is some value that is not nullable to be specific, then it will throw an exception, an illegal state exception, and if it's null, it will throw an exception. If it's non nullable, it will still print the string as it is, as you can see in front of the screen. After that, we do have is that we have taken the example of orElseGet method. So orElseGet method, what will do? It will check if there is an existing value, if it's satisfied, or else it will get the value by taking some executing this lambda expression. Now this is basically a lambda expression that given to generate any random number, integer number, and multiplying it by 40, but it will print some any random value. Mind it, it will not print in the multiples of 40. It will surely print the value that is random. Surely, it will print that value only. So to get to know in actual, so let's try to compile and see the what's the output. I will click run as application. Yeah, as I told, it has given the value as 100 volt. So as I specifically told, when you mention when you initialize with 100, it will give value optional. You have initialized the value as optional not empty. So condition is satisfied. So it doesn't contain any value. Otherwise, it will so it's printing the or else. It goes in the or else condition. It will be giving the value as 100, and also as I said, doesn't it is not throwing the exception because I told it's a string that is containing the value. But what if it contains none? It will surely give some other output as it's specified. It should surely give the illegal state exception in our console output, uh, which will test. So firstly, I will test. So I will give some specific value instead of optional or template. I will give some specific value, say 14, and sorry, it will not take in that manner. So I will give, yeah, because it's given compiler, it's not integer. So by wrap it with of nullable, I will give the value as 40. So I'll try to print the value. Yeah, as you can see, when I give the value as 14, it is surely printed the value 14 because the condition in or else doesn't satisfy, because it will only satisfy when the optional value is empty, or by default it doesn't hold any value in itself. In that case only it will print other than the value mentioned in the or else. Similar is the case with the null value. So I specify some null over here. It will surely throw an exception. Let's see what. As I said, as the exception is thrown below and is not executed, because that's the end of the code. Once, once the exception is thrown, it will not execute any other line. So my point to specify here is when you specifically make it a point to throw an exception, you will throw an exception if it contains some null value, and if it's not null, it will execute properly and it will print the default value of what it contains. And yeah, you will see it's printing 9. So I give any other values, say 12, see what it prints. Prints 3. I change the value to suppose 123. Print any random value. So this lambda expression specifically is act as a generator, print any random value in the orElseGet method. So that's the purpose of various methods in the optional class, and you have to check the condition in which these can be utilized. So in this video we saw about orElse method, orElseThrow method, orElseGet method. So these some additional methods which are very useful, and you have to utilize it according to the purposes as you might encounter. So in this video was all by getting to the additional method in the optional class. Good to see you in #TechieMit. Stay tuned, keep liking, subscribing, #TechieMit. Bye for now.